Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about a very new and important protocol or testnet known as the Naoris Protocol. So this just started some days back, let's say 4 days ago on January 31st. Even though there was an early access where some people had to join a wait list, but still we're not late, we're still very early. So that is a post-quantum deepin testnet and it's a cyber security platform which helps to mitigate hacks and security breaches. So here you can see there are just currently 165,807 Naoris wallets, 102,534 security nodes, and see how much it has mitigated almost 1.9 million threats. So this is basically how it works. Very easy. So you just install a wallet, connect it to the testnet, and then do the social tasks and some very important tasks for you to earn points. So if you're using mobile, I'll also be dropping a link to this page on the description and my Telegram channel. So do well to click the link and get access to this airdrop. So let's see how much funding they've raised. So if you go over to cryptorank.io and search for Naoris Protocol airdrop, see you get to this page. So they've raised $11.50 million, which is way more now. And over here you can see their partners. This airdrop takes just 5 minutes or more, and then it's not been long it started. So every task and every point here is going to be converted to a token since it's a testnet. Let's check their X page to check how legit this is. So real-time trust validation for Web 2 and Web 3 systems of data, removing these points of failure, ensuring secure and reliable operations. So the testnet just launched January 31st. So let's proceed to their page so that we can know how to get as much points as possible before they finally decide to list. So the first thing we'll be doing here will be installing the Naoris Protocol wallet. So if you're using mobile, the link to the Chrome web store will be in the description. For those using PC, just come over here and click install wallet. So to bring it to Chrome extension page, so just add to Chrome. People using mobile, you can also do the same with your MySys browser. It's still the same result. I tried so much to record with my mobile, but I was having some challenges. So once you're done downloading the Naoris Protocol wallet extension, it's going to bring you to this page. So for you to create a wallet and save your seed phrase, same thing with people using mobile. So create new wallet, accept, then submit. So after saving your seed phrase, you just have to create a password. Then my referral code will be in the description of this page, and a more detailed guide also be in my Telegram channel. So do well to use my referral code. So if you've registered, you can also send me a referral code so I can share. See, you cannot create a wallet without inputting a referral. So once this is done, you see what Naoris Protocol wallet is set up. Let me pin Naoris wallet. Okay, just pinned it over here. So Naoris Protocol wallet is set up. Follow these steps. So I'm done setting up Naoris Protocol wallet. So let's go over to the initial dashboard. Connect wallet. So connecting the wallet, then go over to the Chrome extension. Click on the Chrome extension. account 1 connects. You can see right here we've connected our wallet. So over here, start testnet. So if you can start testnet, it says complete this task and earn 5 Naoris testnet points. So logged in with the wallet. So you have to install another extension known as the Naoris Protocol Browser Security Node. This extension is what performs the cybersecurity function of this protocol. So it is a must install. So click on install. So the link to the extension will also be in my description. So those using mobile still follow the same process. So add to Chrome. So wait for it to download. The Naoris Protocol browser is done installing. So I'll pin it so that it will be visible on the taskbar. So we'll go back to the initial testnet page. So we'll log in with our X account. So my X account has already been logged in, so I'll just authorize. Once authorized, it brings you back here. So the next task is to follow Naoris protocol to get additional testnet points. So proceed. So I'm already following them. So once you follow, you return back to this place, then claim points. You can see here that all tasks is completed. So points will be added to dashboard. Open Naoris security extension. Well, then you can see this is overall earning to the earning. But the first thing, for you to start earning, you have to turn on protection over here. So turn on protection. So as you can see, it's already earning. The points are already earning today's points. Then let's go back to testnet dashboard. This is the dashboard. So this is the global nodes we have currently. So I just opened one. This number of time I've been on. So this is where you see the number of nodes you've connected. So I think you can connect more than one node. This is the wallet address. So this is where if you want to exit. So security logs, that's how many times, how many security risks that this security protocol has stopped. So your earnings, this is today's earnings, or earnings. So just keep the node running. The referral program, the things you get for referral. So referral is really very important because it can help you get as much points and can give you a lot of multiplier. Then share your reward. I think this is epoch 1, so they're having a lot of epoch, so you're not still late to this. So we'll be returning to the initial dashboard. So we now first claim our points. You have to input your wallet password. So once you put your wallet password, the point for all the tasks you've done will be sent to your dashboard. Another very important part of this airdrop is the quests. That's the Galxe task. So this is a very important task that we have to do, the social media quest. So once you click on it, it brings you here. So that's the Galxe task. So if you don't have any accounts on Galxe platform, you have to log in and create an account with Galxe, then perform the tasks. These are the various tasks, this and this and this code. So you also need this code. So for this test your knowledge, I'll be dropping the answers to I'll drop in the answers to this test knowledge on my Telegram page. So do well to join. The link is in the description. Do well to join Telegram for you to be able to see the answers to the Galxe test your knowledge quest. So that's it for Naoris Protocol. So do well to register and follow the process. Though using mobile, it's also follow the process. It's not as difficult as we all think. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications for more videos. If you have any questions, my comment section is open. Please join my Telegram channel where we'll be getting a lot of crypto updates. See you next time.